Well, hello friends, as you know, for a student, the study place act as a very important place. Not only for a student, for anyone, is workplace act as a very important place to generate full focus, full productivity and full organization. So, for generating the organization of the life, it is very important to generate the organization, or in simple words, to organize your workspace properly. So friends, why it is important to organize our workspace properly, and what are the benefits we are about to get, and why we can organize our workplace in a very productive way. All these questions I have covered in this video, so watch the video till end to know the brief or the depth of the topic. So friends, if you are liking my content, then hit the like button and also the share button, so more and more people can see my video and get latest updates regarding them. And also friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for being the part of the community and to engage me in most of the glorious topics in which we will lead to the part of productivity. So friends, in this video we are going to talk about a topic which says that how to organize your study space to get more efficiency from that. So friends, without wasting more time, let's start. So friends, the first question arises that why it is important to organize our study space. So friends, there is a very simple answer. As you know that without proper organization, nothing can give its full productivity. And think away. So friends, you have to think about two kinds of study tables or the work tables in your mind. First, which is totally messy. For example, if I want to find my stapler, then I am randomly picking up my books, randomly picking up my things and trying to find it. If I want to find a particular book, I am picking up a lot of books and I am finding in a lot of mess in which lot of books and copies are combined together, then it wastes my most of the time. But if I will use proper organizers, I will organize my textbooks on the table, I will organize my particular subject book in a similar manner, so they all be together. So at the time I want to find any particular book, I just search in my desk that it is all the my books of geography, it is all the my books of business communication, it is all my books of science. So friends, at that time I will save a lot of time. Also friends, there are many things or many ways which you can use to get this kind of productivity from your table. But how do we organize our study table? So friends, in that second point, we are talking about the same, that how we can organize our table. So friends, for organizing your study table, you don't have to spend a lot amount of money, or if you don't want, you can organize it at zero investment. But I will recommend, as you can see in my study table in the pictures, I use two kind of organizer. First organizer for my stationeries and the second organizer for my books. So on the table I will put my all the current academic books, so whenever I am studying I don't have to wake up and go to myself to take the books. So that saves a lot of time. So friends, it is very important. Not only by the organizer, you also align different things at different places. For example, if you have a desk with drawers, you can separate one drawer for the stationery, you can separate one drawer for the books, you can separate one drawer for your important things or notes. So friends, at the time you want to find any kind of thing, you can find them easily. So friends, it is a very good manner of saving lot of time. So friends, we have talked how we can organize our study table properly or our work table properly. Now we will talk about the third point, and the third point says that what are the benefits we are getting after organizing our study table in such a manner. So friends, if we will organize our study table properly, we will make different sections for all the kind of things. For example, for books, for stationery, for notes, for to-dos, or sometimes I also use some notice boards so I can organize my life also. Means for that I will use different kind of sticky notes. As you know, I have already discussed the use of sticky notes and flashcards in my previous videos. If you want to see the same, you can click on the I button, or you can see in the description I will give the link of the videos, so you can see them and gain knowledge from them also. So friends, you are getting benefit in decreasing the time of taking the things. You are decreasing the distraction. Why distraction? Because as you know, if at the time of studying your pen ink got wind up, and at the time you want to take a new pen and you are going in yourself and fighting in with a 10 or 20 pen, a particular color pen, then it is not good. But if all your important pens were put on the table, you can take them easily and select the desired one, so that will save a lot of time. If you want to select any kind of particular book and you have organized your books in a right manner, you can take it very easily, and if the books are putting in your desk, then you don't have to stand up to take the books. And it is happen similar with all kind of items, not only at the workspace, at every part of your home or every part where you want to take efficiency. You have to just organize your things properly. As more you will make your imagination more and more good, you can get more benefit and more productivity. So friends, these are the 3 points that help you to make your study or workspace more productive. If you have any kind of suggestion, you can write in the comment section and also tell me or suggest me topics for my next video, so I also get help. So friends, if you liking my content, hit the like button and also the share button, and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for being the part of the community and get my latest updates. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The link was given in the description. You can also check my website Puneet Productivity Hive, or to know about the more depth of this topic and read the topic post in more brief. So friends, that's all for this video. I will meet you on the next Saturday with a next productive video with a new and fresh topic. Till then, Puneet Sharma is signing out.